Hello students, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Myself Pathan Jabbar Khan, your physics teacher. Uh, आत्तापर्यंत आपण in units and measurement we have to see so many articles in units and measurement. They are the what is unit, what are the types of physical, what is physical quantity, what is unit, what are the physical quantity, what are the system of units, then conventions to indicate SI unit. I think our last article is related with the conventions to indicate the SI units. I think तुम्हाला माझे जे सगळे सेंड केलेले व्हिडिओज आहेत ते व्यवस्थित कळले असतील पहा. नाउ टुडे इन युनिट्स अँड मेजरमेंट वी हॅव टू डिस्कस, वी हॅव टू लर्न very important article in units and measurement, and that name of that article is the dimensions. Look here, sorry, that is the dimension dimensions of a physical quantities of a physical quantities. See that, so today our article name is dimensions of a physical quantity. Why we have to study this article? That is first question in front of you. Why we have a dimensions of physical quantity? What is the exact meaning of dimension, or what is the definition of dimension? We'll see that. What is the use of this article? That is also important point. So now today we have to see the definitions of the dimension. Definition of dimension means what is the meaning of dimension. आज आपण dimension म्हणजे काय? Dimension of a physical quantities. So that one thing is very important, or I think one thing is supportive for you. Dimensions of a physical quantities. You know there are types of physical quantities. There are fundamental physical quantity. There are 7. There are 2 supplementary physical quantity, and there are infinite number of derived quantity. We have to find the dimensions of that quantities. Okay. Now, what is the use of dimension? Why we have to see this concept? Why, or we say that why this concept introduced in the units and measurement? Look here, this article is used in 11th standard as well as in your 12th standard. Or I say you that this article come in each and every chapter. हे आर्टिकल तुम्हाला प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये येणार आहे का? Whenever we have to see the new physical quantity, whenever we have a new physical quantity, actually some quantities are in first chapter, then remaining are in second, remaining are in third, then next one. In each and every chapter we have a physical quantity. Then whenever we have new physical quantity, your first work, तुमचं पहिलं काम आहे का तुम्ही त्याचं डायमेन्शन काढा. What is dimension? Dimensions give, first point is the dimensions show nature of a physical quantity. Nature of a physical quantity means dimensions show the nature of physical quantity. Nature, dimensions show the nature. What is meaning of nature in Marathi? Nature means, yes, correct. Nature means स्वभाव. त्या physical quantity कशी आहे? Actually, we'll see the definition. Second one, dimensions of nature of physical quantity. What is the use of dimension? Look here. Now tell me, we have so many physical quantity. Is correct? We have so many physical quantity. For example, length. For example, length. We have a length. We have a length. We have a length. Tell me the unit of length. Unit of length. Yes, unit is meter. Yes, unit is a meter. That is the SI base unit. Is it? हेच एवढंच एक युनिट आहे का? No. Kilometer. Kilometer is also unit of length. Then centimeter. Centimeter is also unit of length, centimeter. Then foot is also unit of length. Then micrometer, nanometer, picometer, then inch is the unit of length. Okay, so there are so many units of length as well as there are so many units of mass. So we have a mass. Then SI base unit is a kilogram. Kilogram, then gram, then milligram, then mega, then then hecto. Okay, so there are so many ton, pound. So there are so many units of mass also. Okay, so we are always confused. Always confused. Which unit is used or what is the symbol of length? What is the symbol of length? So with the help of dimensions, with the help of dimensions, we have to give one symbol to each and every physical quantity. Means whenever you see the definition of dimension, so we give the symbol or we give the specific some name to length, to mass, to temperature, to electric current, to amount of substance, to luminous intensity. Okay, त्याला आपण एक काही पर्टिक्युलर एक सिम्बॉल दिलाय बघ. सो दॅट इज द सेकंड यूज ऑफ द डायमेन्शन. डायमेन्शननी डिफरंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीला एक सिम्बॉल दिलाय बघ. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल look here that is the dimensions. आपण एवढंच नाव देऊया length. So we have a length. So for length we give capital L and write in a square bracket like this, capital L. So L for length, then mass, that is capital M, then time, that is for capital T, time, capital T, then temperature, short form temperature. For temperature, what is the unit? Kelvin, or in some other book theta. Temperature लगाया है K और theta. Then electric current. For electric current, ampere, A or I. But length, mass, time are commonly used. Mostly or commonly used. Which one? Length, mass and time. Then we have luminous intensity. मला तर हे कधी मिळाली नाही पहा. डायमेन्शन्स ऑफ luminous intensity, and that is for candela, and that is C. And the last one, that is the amount of substance. And for amount of substance we have to use mole. So now dimension for length we say that L. For mass ला आपण M म्हणू, टाइम ला T म्हणू, टेम्परेचर K और थीटा, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट A और I, luminous intensity C, amount of substance mole. Okay, now what is the definition of dimension? That is very important. Look here, I say that dimension shows the nature of that physical quantity. Number one, with the help of dimension, okay, we have to give the some symbols. एक symbol दिला आपण, length ला L, कारण की मीटर, किलोमीटर, then inch, then feet, हे वेगवेगळे युनिट्स आहेत पहा. सो वी आपण कन्फ्यूज होऊ. सो मग आपण काय करूया पहा, एक सिम्बॉल्स देऊ पहा. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ डायमेन्शन, लेंथ L, mass M, time T. Okay, now write down this or take a screenshot of this. Okay, now what is dimension? Dimensions of a physical quantity. Write down the definition. Dimension of a physical quantity. Look here. Okay. Now, dimensions of a physical quantity, physical quantities are the powers. This is very important word. Are the powers. Look here. मी जास्त खूप बोल्ड करतो बा किंवा वेगवेगळ्या पेन. Dimensions are the powers. What is dimension? Look here. Dimension definition. Dimensions. Look here. Dimensions. Pi the dimension of a physical quantity. Dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which dimensions are the powers to which fundamental units are raised. This one is very important. Fundamental units are raised. This one is also important. Raised. Fundamental units are raised. Look here. Fundamental units are raised. Fundamental units are raised in order to express the derived unit of a physical quantity. Look here. This is the definition of dimensions. Look here. Carefully observe that and write down. Dimension of physical quantities are the powers to which fundamental units are raised in order to express the derived unit of a physical quantity. This is very important thing is that. This is the very important definition. Write down or take a screenshot of this. Dimensions of a physical quantities are the powers to which fundamental units are raised. Now what is meaning of power? 2 square. 2 square. So 2 is a power. That is 4. 2 cube. 3 is a power. 3 times. 2 square. 2 square means 2 times. So what is 2? 2 is a power. 2 cube. What is 3? 3 is a power. 3 is a power. So this is power. 3 times. 2 times. Okay. Now, so what is dimension? Dimensions of a physical quantities are the powers to which fundamental units are raised. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो हे लक्ष द्या पहा. We have to always find out the dimension of derived quantities. सोप्या भाषेत. We have so many derived quantities. That one thing is very important. You know the definition of derived quantity. What is derived quantity? The physical quantity which depend on one or more fundamental quantities. One or more fundamental quantities for their measurement. So look here. If you carefully observe the definition, तर तुम्ही definition व्यवस्थित पाहिली, so there is a relation between dimension with the fundamental units. Units means fundamental quantities. So dimensions of a physical quantities are the powers to which fundamental units are raised. वाढणे, raising, growth or more raised in order to express the derived unit of a physical quantities. Okay, so this is about the definition of dimension. I hope तुम्हाला definition कळले असेल. और अपन example नहीं पाहू. ठीक है. Now for example, look here. Now one by one we have to take dimension. आता तुम्ही काय करा, मी एक डायमेन्शन घेतलं, यू कॅन राईट डाऊन इन युअर नोटबुक वन बाय वन. आजचं लेक्चर आपण काही डायमेन्शन्स पाहू. काही डायमेन्शन्स तुम्हाला मी काढायला सांगेल. तुम्हाला डायमेन्शन्स काढताच यायला पाहिजे. मस्ट आहे हे डायमेन्शन्स तुम्हाला यायलाच पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव एरिया. हा, नाउ व्हॉट इज द मेथड ऑफ डायमेन्शन, हाऊ टू फाइंड डायमेन्शन. एक लक्ष द्या पहा, किंवा पेन्सिलने तुम्ही कुठेतरी लिहून ठेवा. with the help of formula of that physical quantities. For example, force. What is the formula of force? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is velocity? Displacement upon time. What is power? Work upon time. What is charge? What is electric charge? IT. Correct. I is equal to Q upon T. Q is equal to IT. What is potential difference? You know. What is resistance? You know. What is magnetic induction? Magnetic flux. Then what is temperature? What is density? तर डायमेन्शन्स काढताना एक मेथड पहा, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्म्युला और विथ द हेल्प ऑफ युनिट्स. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ युनिट्स तुम्ही डायमेन्शन्स काढू शकता. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ युनिट्स. मग तुम्ही काय करा, आता तुम्ही सध्या घरी अभ्यास करताय, तुम्ही एक साधारणतः अप टू 10th स्टँडर्ड तुम्हाला जेवढ्या फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज माहित आहे, जेवढ्या स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मास टू तुम्हाला जेवढ्या माहित आहे त्या सगळ्यांचे युनिट्स तुम्ही पाठ करा. ओके, यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑल द युनिट्स ऑफ ऑल द डिफरंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. तुम्हाला ते माहितच पाहिजे. और यू हॅव टू नो द फॉर्म्युला फॉर दॅट ऑल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. जे फॉर्म्युलेज आहेत हे तुम्हाला यायलाच पाहिजे. they are very important, they are very useful for dimensions as well as for other articles. Now area, tell me the unit of area. What is the unit of area? Length into breadth. The unit is meter square. Unit is a meter square. और formula length into breadth, लांबी गुणिले रुंदी, और width काय असेल ते तुम्ही म्हणा. Now what is the dimensions of area? Meter square. This meter is the unit of length. Length is a fundamental physical quantity. Meter is a fundamental unit. So how many times of length there? There are 2 times of length. So there is L square, and this is the dimension of area, L square. Look here. So what is the meaning of square bracket? Square bracket is very important. That shows the nature of the physical quantities. Okay, L square. Then volume. Volume, you know, length into breadth into height. लांबी गुणिले रुंदी गुणिले उंची, LBH. Length into breadth into height. What is the unit? Is a meter cube. Meter cube. Now what is the dimensions for volume? That is the L cube. Okay, L cube. Now look definition. Dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers. Are the powers to which fundamental units. What is this? This is the fundamental unit. Fundamental unit are raised in order to express a derived unit. In order to express the derived unit of a physical quantity. त्याचे. Now next example पहा. त्याच्यावरून कळेल तुम्हाला. Now density. Now number 1 write down area. Number 2, number 3 density. आता एक one thing is here very important. What about the dimensions of volume in terms of mass or in terms of time? Means volume वर mass चा power किती आहे? Is there mass? Is there time? So whenever we write down the dimensions of the volume, we can write down like this: m I ask you, what is the dimension of volume? If you say m0, l3, t0, मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं डायमेन्शन्स ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम काय, तुम्ही जर म्हटलात m0, l3, t0 is wrong, is incorrect. What is the dimensions of volume? What is the dimension of volume? 0 in mass, 3 in length, and 0 in time. 0 in mass, 2 in length, 0 in time. So dimensions म्हणायचे कसे? How to read? 0 in mass, 3 in length, 0 in time. 0 in time. असं नाही म्हणायचं m0, l3, t0. This is the wrong method. So how to read it? कसं त्याला वाचणार तुम्ही? 0 in mass. Volume मध्ये mass, there is no power of mass, no power of time. Okay? There is a 3 times power of length. Okay? So this is the dimensions of volume. Now we have to find out the dimensions of different physical quantities. So you can write down one by one. Okay? Now, आता मला वाटतं डेफिनेशन्स तुम्ही लिहून घेतली असेल व्यवस्थित. Now, number 3, that is the density. Actually, there are so many types of density. There are 3 types of densities: mass density, areal density. Mass means volume. Areal density, mass density, areal density, and linear density. Okay? But now we have to take the mass density. So what is the unit of density? Density unit. Tell me the unit of density. That is the kilogram meter cube. Kilogram meter cube, or mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. That is m. What is volume? L cube. Now write down the dimensions of density. Tell me, what about the mass? How many type of mass? There is no power, means power of 1. So 1 in mass. Density 1 in mass. Okay, denominator to numerator, so shift will, it become minus L minus 3. What about T? T is not there. T0. This is the dimension of density. 1 in mass, minus 3 in length, and 0 in time. Okay, write down area, volume, and density. Okay, write down. Okay. Now the fast do one by one fastly do आता पहा. Now next one, dimensions. काय चाललं तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे पहा. Dimensions of physical quantities. Okay, now next one, number 4. Write down number 4. Velocity. What is the formula of velocity or unit? Yes, anybody? What is the unit of velocity? Is a meter per second. What is the definition? Displacement upon time. Displacement means length, and time. That is L upon T. So what is the dimension of velocity? Velocity is equal to meter per second. No mass. So 0 in mass, 1 in length, and minus 1 in time. This is the dimension of velocity. 0 in mass, 1 in length, minus 1 in time. Dimensions are the powers. Dimensions of physical quantities are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to express the derived unit of a physical quantity. Now suppose we have a speed. What is the unit of speed? Meter per second. meter per second, distance upon time, distance upon time. Then again L upon T, meter per second. So what is the dimension of speed? Same as the dimensions of velocity. That is 0 in mass, 1 in length, minus 1 in time. Look here, look here. Look. Velocity, dimensions. Speed, dimension, speed. The dimensions are same. Dimensions are same. If units are same, unit is a meter per second. If units of a different physical quantities are same, if the units are different physical quantities are same, the dimension are also same. हे एक लक्षात ठेवा. That is the whatever the point तुम्ही ते व्यवस्थित write down घ्या. If unit is same, dimension is same. Okay, this is the number whatever by 4. Write down this one. So take a screenshot. Okay, now. Okay, now next one, acceleration. Next one is a acceleration. Number 5. Look here. Number 5. Acceleration. 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 What is the unit of acceleration? Is a meter per second square. What is the definition? Change in velocity. Change in velocity upon change in time. Change in time. Actually change ज्यावेळेस करतो आपण त्यावेळेस फायनल मायनस इनिशियल करतो. तर मीटर पर सेकंड मायनस मीटर पर सेकंड म्हणजे 5 मीटर पर सेकंड मायनस 3 मीटर पर सेकंड. तर रिमेनिंग इज 2 मीटर पर सेकंड. Remaining is 2 meter per second. So change in velocity is 2 meter per second. So cancel नाही झालं ते. म्हणजे तुम्हाला शून्य आलं ते. 0 नाही तिथे. मीटर पर सेकंड. So meter per second square. So change in velocity. Velocity means length upon time. Length upon time into time. That is the acceleration. Short form. Acceleration. Length upon time. Change in velocity, displacement upon time, that is length upon time and into time. So what is the dimension of acceleration? Yes, 0 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. Write down this one. Number 5, acceleration. Acceleration, L upon T into T. 0 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. Okay, this one is number 5. Now 6. Okay, number 6, that is the force. This is the very important dimension of physics. Learn it. हे समजून पाठच करायचे. You should know, you must know. Look, force. Now what is the definition of force? Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Before going to that, force ला जाण्याच्या अगोदर we have number 6. Number 6, acceleration due to gravity. Due to gravity, that is G. What is the dimension of acceleration due to gravity? Actually this is the acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration produced in the body due to the gravitational force. But it is an acceleration. It is an acceleration. So if it is acceleration, its dimension is same as this acceleration. So dimension of acceleration unit is 9.8 meter per second square. Look here, meter per second square. So dimension is same. 0 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. मला सवय हे पहा असं लिहायची. If there is 1, काही पुस्तकात Lच देतात कारण पॉवर 1 आपण कन्सिडर करतो. पण ही सवय तुम्ही 11वीला लावा. 1 लिहा, 12वीला बघू आपण काय करायचं. So this is the dimension of acceleration due to gravity. Now force, number 7. Force. What is force? That is the mass into acceleration. What is the unit of force? Newton. For mass unit, kilogram. Acceleration is a meter per second square. Okay. तुम्ही कसंही लिहा. सो नाव m into l acceleration l upon t square. L upon t square. So what is the dimension of force? That is the 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. Always you remember the dimension of force. That is the 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. समजलं पा? Force, mass into acceleration. Kilogram meter per second square, m, l t square. 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time. Now next one, number 8. Number 8. Tell me next physical quantity. Yes. Force नंतर काय आहे ते सांगा. Force नंतर work. What is work? Force into displacement. Force into displacement. That is, now write down the dimension of force. तुम्हाला जर पाठ असतील तर डायरेक्ट लिहा किंवा कोणतीही मेथड वापरा. That is the 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 2 in time into length. Displacement means length. 1 in length. Then write down this. Look here. That is the dimension is work. Work dimensions 1 in mass, base same L1, addition of power 2 in length, minus 2 in time. This is the dimension of work. This is also very important dimension. Okay. Now for next lecture or for your homework, you can find out the dimension of power, okay, pressure, power and pressure. So now thank you so much for watching my videos. Up to next video. Till then, bye. व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा. काही अडचण असेल तर मला सांगा. Okay, thank you so much.